Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a current economic analysis of India in January 2025. As one of the world's fastest growing economies, India has seen remarkable changes, challenges, and developments. Let's break down where the country stands right now, including its economic growth, inflation trends, challenges, and future outlook. Background music fades out. India's economy has been on a strong upward trajectory over the past few years. With GDP growth projections around 6% for 2025, it continues to be one of the world's top-performing major economies. But what's driving this growth? The growth is mainly supported by 1. Strong domestic consumption. India's young and expanding middle class is boosting demand across sectors. 2. Digitization and innovation. The rapid adoption of technology has made industries more efficient and boosted sectors like fintech, e-commerce, and IT. 3. Infrastructure development. Large-scale infrastructure projects are creating jobs and improving connectivity, essential for economic development. India is also becoming a key player in the global supply chain as companies look to diversify beyond China. With ongoing labor reforms and ease of doing business improvements, India is setting itself up as a prime investment destination. However, with growth comes challenges. One of the pressing concerns is inflation. In late 2024, inflation had spiked due to rising food and energy prices, partly due to global disruptions and domestic supply issues. But India's central bank, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has been proactive in managing inflation by hiking interest rates. As of January 2025, inflation is expected to stabilize within the RBI's target range of 4 to 6%, but it will depend on how the global economy unfolds in the coming months. Rising inflation has impacted household budgets, but the government's targeted support schemes, like food subsidies and cash transfers, have softened the blow for vulnerable populations. Another area that plays a significant role in India's economic landscape is the labor market. Despite strong GDP growth, unemployment remains a challenge, particularly among the youth. In 2024, the unemployment rate was around 7.5%, but it has been declining gradually. However, the quality of jobs remains a concern. India's job market is seeing an increasing number of gig economy workers and informal sector jobs, which often lack security and benefits. The government is focusing on improving skill development and boosting job creation through schemes aimed at small businesses and rural employment. India faces several economic challenges despite its strong growth outlook. Some of these include 1. Agriculture struggles. Despite being a significant sector in terms of employment, agriculture in India is still plagued by low productivity and vulnerability to climate change. 2. Income inequality. There is growing disparity in income levels, with wealth concentrated in urban areas, while rural areas continue to face poverty. 3. Fiscal deficits. The government is still running a high fiscal deficit, though efforts are being made to boost tax revenues and reduce borrowing. 3. Managing this while balancing social welfare spending is an ongoing tightrope walk. 3. India's economy doesn't operate in isolation, of course. Global economic trends are affecting its trajectory as well. The war in Ukraine, for instance, has had lingering effects on energy prices and global supply chains, but India has managed to navigate these disruptions relatively well. Furthermore, India's trade relations are evolving, with stronger ties to the US, EU, and neighboring Asian countries. It's now an active participant in multilateral agreements, including trade pacts like RCEP and others. That said, a potential global recession in 2025 could slow demand for Indian exports, but it's expected that India's internal growth drivers will help cushion the impact. Looking ahead, India is focusing on several key initiatives. 1. Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India, encouraging local manufacturing, especially in high-tech sectors like electronics and renewable energy. 2. Green energy transition. India is investing heavily in renewable energy sources and aiming to reach net zero carbon emissions by 2070. 3. Ease of doing business reforms. The government continues to simplify regulations and encourage foreign investment. As we enter 2025, India's economy is projected to remain resilient. Experts are optimistic about India's position as a global economic powerhouse, but challenges related to inflation, inequality, and unemployment remain hurdles to overcome. So, what does the future hold for India? With strong growth, a youthful workforce, and robust policy reforms, the outlook remains positive, but it's essential for India to focus on sustainable growth, addressing inequality, and continuing to build a globally competitive economy. That's it for today's economic analysis of India. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on global economic trends. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think India can maintain this growth momentum? Let us know in the comments.